Hi, my name is Maria. I'm from Spain and I'm 35 years old. And the reason I came here to Smile Clinic today is to do my eyebrows. I did have microblading in the past and I just didn't like the results.
Have a look, I'll try to fix it, but here is the point. When the eyebrow is done, there is one basic rule. It should not be perfectly symmetric. Why? Our right side and the left side of the faces is really different. We call it the facial asymmetry, and all the human beings, unless we are not Barbie dolls, will be different. That's why the eyebrow design according to the mimics of the face as well. So when you put the perfectly symmetric line or the asymmetry of the face, it can get distorted. So it should not be perfectly symmetric or too much. Of course, I can adjust, especially on the left side, this beginning portion. I can mark it. But it should be maximum 1 millimeter, not too thick. I don't want it to look like a Frida Kahlo with like perfectly symmetric and thick eyebrows. Okay? It depends on the type of the hairstyling you do. Some patients may want to mostly use ponytails, so this lower portion of the neck is exposed. So they say, hey, I would like to go this way. Or if you say, hey, I can drop my hair, no problem with me. My advice would be to go this way because the grafts are much more thinner and feather-like in this area. Okay. For the eyelids, when we get older and due to gravitation, of course, go down all the time. This time you'll have your eyebrows over the eye like this. It will look very, very, sorry for the difference, but ugly and unnatural. Okay. That's why this lower part, it's adjusted perfectly nice. What I can adjust, especially for the left eyebrow, from the top, just 1 millimeter adjustment. Let me mark these areas so you can see it as a whole picture. Okay?
Blading and semi-permanent makeup. I didn't do this myself. It was before I started the industry, but I do mapping. So would you mind if I...
Yep, that would be perfectly fine with me.
Because I'm really good with the mapping.
Perfect. If you can, okay, here is the point.
I do have everything.
You can grab it, by the way. That's ideal for me. Yes?
Yeah. And then after trying a few things that it didn't work out, like PRP, I thought I'm gonna give a try to eye transplant. So let's see how it goes.
Okay, so everything between these two frames, especially on this upper side here, here, this lower part here, and here, will be filled.
That is perfect.
Okay, nothing extra, nothing like unnaturally big or now more or less the same frame but filling them up. You have more of these loss on your left eyebrow, for example.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Cheers.
I just had the consultation with the doctor and it was amazing. He just did the mapping for me, which it looks really good. And he explained the whole process, so I'm feeling a bit better because I was a bit nervous before starting. And yes, we're just ready for the treatment. Thank you.